Yeah, I just checked out from my hotel. Yeah, 10 o'clock. I feel like going to Kyoto now, and so I just yeah, left the hotel. Yeah, so I paid 1 day more for that hotel, but it's alright. It's cheap. It's just a hostel. So at the moment I'm here at the Osaka station. If I'm not mistaken, this is the like kind of central station. I won't be able to explore this place because yeah, I'm heading now to Kyoto. Yeah, coming from Osaka, we are now here. I think should I go this way? There is Haro here. Yeah, we are now here in Kyoto. You have to be specific in Karasuma Station. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Karasuma. I have a book hotel in this area, but the check-in is still later at 3 o'clock. The time now is still 1:30, so it's still very early. There's so many train system here in Japan. Yeah. It's a combination of underground and yeah. So this is Kyoto. The same, lots of people everywhere. I did not see so much buses in Osaka, but in here I saw already 6. I'm actually now here in the area of the hotel. Yeah, where I'm going to stay for actually for 2 nights. Yeah, noisy, huh? Yeah, this is a local area like suburbs. So yeah, it's like this. It's actually raining. I already dropped off my my small bag in the hotel, but the check-in is still not until 4 o'clock. Yeah, that is too much. Most of the time the earliest check-in is 2 o'clock actually, but yeah, like in Australia the check-in is 2 o'clock. Here in Japan mostly 3 o'clock, but this hotel is 4 o'clock. Hello. There are kids over that side. Maybe they are coming from their school. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yeah. Look at this Toyota. This is the common size of the Toyota. That's one thing I realized, because you know, in Australia there's a lot of that kind of Toyota. Yeah, the high ace one. And there's also a lot in here. But yeah, you rarely see a car like that. Mostly like that. Yeah. Most of the car here is small like this. Look at this van. This is also small. Yeah, you don't see much of that Toyota. Not much of that. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I am here in my hotel. Yeah, the Universal Hotel here in Kyoto. And we are going out. When I was booking this hotel, I thought this one is an old hotel, but yeah, it's actually modern inside. A new hotel. So this is the name, Universal Hotel Kyoto. And it is raining at the moment. Yeah, I actually have been waiting for the rain to stop since morning, but yeah, it doesn't stop. It is already 12:29. I need to run. And we are now walking here. I actually just got down from the bus. And the fare is 230 yen for adults. Yeah, it's a flat fare. Basically within the city area. 230. Yeah, initially I get inside the bus and then I went to the driver to pay. Yeah, he said later when I need to go down. Yeah. And now I am walking here. Actually, this is not my destination. I am supposed to go to the kind of tourist attraction, a shrine, something. But the bus did not go there. Yeah, and so I searched for another place to go. I searched for a shopping center. And that's why I am here. Now heading to the shopping center. And I'm going to buy an umbrella. Umbrella is better than this raincoat. Because with this with the umbrella I can also hold my camera and it's not going to be wet, because this camera is not waterproof. I actually use cash to pay, but first I show to the driver the IC card. Yeah, and it's they accept that IC card. Oh, very nice. I reached this place. This is a shopping center. Yeah, the same like the one in Osaka. Yeah, Datunburi. It's basically a street with the ceiling, with roof and shops. Yeah, but closed, some of them. Yeah, there's some restaurant that is open at the moment and shop. I am not sure if this is the one that I saw on the Google map. And there are some seafoods here. Yeah, it is the end, but there is actually another one here, which is much bigger. I don't know the exact name of the place, but yeah, I'm going to Google it later. I believe that if it is not raining, yeah, the crowd is probably different. More people for sure. Oh, there is umbrella in here, but it is 498 yen. And we are in a tourist area, so probably yeah, there will be cheaper option. Oh, there's another umbrella here, but it's 698, so it's more expensive. And I'm just really happy that I am expectedly get into this place. Yeah, because places like this is actually a favorite of mine, even though I'm not going to buy anything, but yeah, seeing things, places, yeah, makes me really happy. Oh, lots of people here. Maybe, yeah, they are in a group, and also lots of students. There is umbrella there, but there's no price. I am shy to get inside to us. Oh, there will be a train. Oh, this is a train station. Yeah, this is the other end again of this shopping arcade. I just checked the umbrellas on that side, and so basically the foldable one, yeah, they are actually more expensive. Yeah, about yeah, over 1,000 yen. Some are 3,000, and then the long umbrella, yeah, it's just yeah, cheap. Actually, those 600, 500 something that we saw a while ago. I'm going to eat first. Maybe here. No. Maybe here. It was there at Holly's Cafe, and it costs 750 yen. Yeah, tastes good. The coffee is Dutch coffee, and it's very bitter. Oh, I'm going to check if they have umbrella here, the foldable one. Finally, yeah, I now have an umbrella, but this is actually the long one, and this is 545 yen. Yeah, cheaper than the foldable one. Yeah, hopefully there will be I don't know. I'm not hoping that there will be more rain in the coming days, but yeah, it's not easy to carry an umbrella like this. So even here in Kyoto, the road is also small. Yeah, one-way road, and you will also notice that there is actually no sidewalks. I mean, the usual sidewalks in other countries. Yeah, this is just a regular plot. Yeah, what separates for the vehicles is the color and the line. I also checked the umbrella at 7-Eleven. They are more expensive. There are actually some free umbrella, but yeah, just like those. Yeah, those are umbrella too, for free. And we reached this place. Yeah, this looks like a tourist place. Being colorful, being narrow kind of street, and houses, I mean establishment that looks like this. It looks Japanese classic. Yeah, and yeah, these are restaurants actually. Some of them are still closed. I've seen some they are open. Yeah, this one, they are selling this kind of maybe wine, I'm not sure. Oh, this one is they sell sake, Kyoto Insider sake experience. Sake is alcoholic beverages. And there is a vegetable market here. Yeah, yeah, it's good to see something different. And the same, like what I said, it is going to be different experience. Yeah, if there are more people, if there is no rain. But yeah, this is also good without other people, without much people. I have this place for myself. Oh, look at those kids. Yeah, maybe 6, 7 years old. Yeah, they sound very cute. Oh, look at this river. There, I saw a boat. Oh, nice. Yeah, the river is, looks very clean. Yeah, those kids. So this is like a local community here. You'll notice that the cars, they are that small. Yeah, it's not very common to see a vehicle like that. The usual one that we see in Australia or in the Philippines. Oh, initially my plan is to go to Fushimi Inari. Yeah, but the bus did not go there. The bus came here. That's why I'm here. Now I'm going to the train station that will bring me to that Fushimi Inari. If I'm not mistaken, that is in the mountain. Not really sure. Electrical system here is still yeah, up there, but they look more organized than those in the Philippines. Yeah, we reached the train station here. Yeah, there are different colors of train in here. The one that I saw a while ago is different. This one is green.